Hi ma'am, I'm Christine Palakay. I'm 26 years old. I graduate senior high school. I have one children, 6 years old. My experience in Philippines, 2 years. Household worker. My duties are ironing, marketing, washing, clean the house, and cooking like adobo, sinigang, but I know how to cook Chinese food, mom, because I'm already done for my training in 21 days. And also, mom, I love taking care of children by giving them vitamins, changing diaper, feed them, play with them, and also, mom, love them as my own family. And of course, mom, I'm honest. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, mom, and fast learner. And I promise, mom, that if you hired me as your household worker, I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract and work with you as long as you need me, mom.